Thousands of people in Pflugerville are pushing to join the Austin Community College District. It would make higher education more affordable for students there, but also raise taxes.
Take a look. Pflugerville is almost entirely surrounded by other cities and school districts that have been in the district for years. Those are shown here in blue, and areas that pay out of district tuition are in green on the map. KXAN's Alyssa Gord explains the November ballot item.
As we started having conversations and talking with people,
Jim McDonald helped gather more than 3,000 signatures to put ACC annexation on the ballot in Pflugerville.
we found out that the universe of people that are actually interested in attending ACC is a lot greater than just that 18 to 22 range.
That could be because Pflugerville is one of the fastest growing cities in the country.
By 2030, we're projected to double again and be at 125,000. That's a lot of people.
And now ACC is willing to put a campus there if voters decide to buy in.
But we knew that there was a group here in Pflugerville that wasn't able to take classes based on the cost.
But some regions have opted against an ACC expansion because of the tax burden. We crunched the numbers, and for the average Pflugerville home, property taxes would go up about $180 per year. The bill would be slightly cheaper for those with a homestead exemption.
You know, that's the thing. The beauty about this process is that it ultimately is in the hands of the voters.
Alyssa Gord, KXAN News.
ACC will get public input in Pflugerville on Monday, July 9th at 5 o'clock in the afternoon. That feedback will get woven into ACC's service plan for Pflugerville. Then on August 15th, ACC's board will vote on whether to officially put the annexation on the November ballot. It's important to point out that people in the Austin city limits but served by Pflugerville schools are already in the ACC district. Their taxes will not change. We want to help you understand how much paying taxes lowers the cost for students. Right now, the Pflugerville ISD students pay more than $360 for each credit hour at ACC. That means a 3-hour class costing more than $1,000. But if they join, that will drop down to $85 an hour, making each 3-hour class by $255. The last time ACC annexed more land was back in 2010. Back then, taxpayers in 2 school districts, Hayes and Elgin, voted to join, but 2 others, San Marcos and Bastrop, said no.